Science! And a 1, 2. Woo! Dance. How? Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today I'm going to teach you about density using these water bottles. Here you go.
To the lab.
Alright, so we're in the lab and we've got our ingredients that we need for this, which is basically water and other water. But we've got cold water and hot water. We got 4 jars that we've labeled appropriately. We added some food dye so that you can see the difference in the science and what's going to happen.
Oh, well that's so nice of you.
So we took hot water in our kettle, and it's still nice and toasty, so I'm going to put on my oven mitt when we handle this. We're going to add hot water to the hot water jars. You need to have these filled up all the way to the top, and then similar to my other water experiment I did, we're going to put a piece of cardboard over the top. It's going to separate them.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful!
And then for the cold, sprinkles, if you will.
I got cold water here. We're going to pour right in. Just going to go for it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We're just going to pour some water in here. And it's going to be looking really good. And the water is swirling all around this face. Look at those ice cubes go. Oh, yeah, woo-woo. What just happened?
Yeah, well. Yep. What do I
Can't work with this guy.
Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these, cover one of them.
We're going to take one of these and cover one of these.
So one of these is going to get flipped the other way. This one's going to go on top of this, and we're going to have hot on top of the cold. And the other one, we're going to have the cold jar on top of the hot. And we're going to pull the card out. The one that has the cold on top, we should see the cold and the hot swap places and maybe even mix in the middle. That's why the colors are there to help us. Because the colder water is denser, the denser water wants to sink. So let's do it, baby. I'm gonna move this one over here. You wanna move that one?
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
I'm not doing that one.
Yeah. I feel like I should do this without gloves, but I need to because protection. So I'm gonna do just like that, just like that, just like that. This is very hot. Okay. Very nice. Yep. Okay. Should be good. Yeah, you want to make sure that you get them lined up as well as you can. We're going to pull them out. Yours, sprinkles, the cold wants to go down. Should see it kind of swap and mix in the middle. Okay. We have paper towels on standby just in case. I think this is gonna, you know what? Wing it.
What could possibly go wrong?
Trust in science. It's your best friend. Alrighty, here we go. And a 3, 2. Alright, so mine's kind of staying in place. Yours, wow, look at it go.
It's already going green because the hot water wants to come up to the top and the cold water wants to go down. It looks like it's like green water now.
Science.
Well, it's
Alright, so we're going to do one more density experiment to really show you. We've got a regular water bottle filled halfway with just water. Again, we're going to add some food coloring just so you can see the science happen. And we're going to go with green. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And then swish that around a little bit.
Get a little mix up right there. Oh, that's green.
It's a very good green. Yeah. Looks like our other green.
Looks like an apple green.
So then we're going to add vegetable oil, which is more dense than water. And we'll see how these two react together.
There you go.
Go for it.
2 and all the way.
Yeah, go all the way. Oh, hang on. Slow down. A little more.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. We've got 2 things of different densities that don't want to mix. Oh, and this looks like a little droplet of yellow stuck in there too. No matter how we put it, it's going to keep separating because they have such differing densities. You even shake it up like that a little bit and over time.
Yeah.
I just take things too far. Should I try to like centrifuge? Oh,
it was separating.
It's separating. It's doing it. This is my fault. I just got so excited. But you can see up here all the little like bubbles of the oil. You can kind of see them
changing,
connecting together. Yeah, and you have like the colors separating a lot more. Oh, this is going pretty quick. Who needs a time machine? all water down here. You can see all the oil separating and kind of still mixing here.
Yeah, let's move it back up.
Yeah, there it is. There's like a good separation here of like,
Who is it?
yeah. Oh, cool. Look at that.
Look at that.
Science. Two different things. Density.
That's pretty great.
Pretty great.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Best. Love it.
Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment. You got steam in the top of mine. You got steam in the top of yours?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Here's the strength. So what's that? Tippy top.
Tippy top.